To set up C++ in Visual Studio Code, you need to visit code.visualstudio.com to download and install the MinGW toolkit and Visual Studio Code itself. On the Visual Studio Code website, click on the Download for Windows button. The download should start automatically, but if it does not, click on the Direct Download link. The VS Code user setup installation file will be in your Downloads folder or the folder that you select, but you should not run that installation file right away. First, scroll down until you can see the C++ link in the left-hand navigation and click to expand that section. In the C++ submenu, click the GCC on Windows link. Scroll down to the Installing the MinGW W64 Toolchain section and click on the MSys2 link. A new tab will open. Scroll down to the Installation section and under Download the Installer, click on the appropriate MSys2 download button. For most Windows users, this will be the x86_64 option. The other button is for Windows users using the ARM64 architecture. Open the downloaded MSys2 exe to run MSys2 setup. On the Welcome screen, click Next. Keep the default path and click Next. To accept the default Start menu folder, click Next. Wait for the installation to complete. On the Finished screen, make sure that Run MSys2 Now is selected and click the Finish button. The MSys2 prompt window will open. To make it easy to reopen if it closes, right-click on the icon in the taskbar and left-click Pin to Taskbar. Now copy and paste the pacman command for your architecture from the description of this video into the MSys2 prompt window. Most of you will need the x86_64 toolchain command. Use the ARM command if you have ARM64 architecture. You can paste by right-clicking and choosing Paste. Then, press the Enter key. You will see an itemized list of the items included in the repository. Simply press the Enter key again to select them all. When prompted, type the letter Y to proceed with the installation and press Enter. When the installation is complete, switch back to your browser, return to the Visual Studio Code tab, scroll down, and in Section 7, Paragraph 4, copy the path starting with C:\\MSys64. Be sure to copy only the path, not the period at the end of the sentence. Now right-click on the Windows Start button and choose System from the menu. Scroll down until you see the Advanced System Settings link and click on the link. The System Properties window will open. Make sure you are on the Advanced tab and then click on the Environment Variables button in the lower right. The Environment Variables window will open. In the lower section under System Variables, click on the path variable and then click on the Edit button. In the Edit Environment Variable window, click on New, paste the path that you copied earlier into the new line, and click OK. Now keep clicking the Move Up button until the new path is at the top of the list. Click OK on this and the other system windows until they are all closed, and then close the Settings window. In your browser, return to your recent downloads and open the VS Code user setup file. If you have trouble finding it, Look in your Downloads folder or the folder you saved it in. The setup window for Microsoft Visual Studio Code will open. Click on I accept the agreement, and then click Next. To accept the default destination location, click Next. And to accept the default Start menu folder, click Next. In the Select Additional Tasks window, make sure that all boxes are checked, and then click Next. Click Install to begin the installation. Patiently wait for Microsoft Visual Studio Code to install. Unlike the full Visual Studio IDE, Visual Studio Code is lightweight and fast while still offering powerful features like intelligent code completion, debugging, and built-in Git integration. It supports virtually every programming language through extensions. Other extensions let you customize it for any workflow from web development to data science to embedded systems programming. When the Completing the Visual Studio Code Setup Wizard window appears, make sure Launch Visual Studio Code is selected and click Finish. Visual Studio Code will open with the Getting Started with VS Code tab open. Maximize the window and click on the Extensions icon in the left-hand toolbar. In the search bar, type C++ and then click on the C/C++ extension pack option. In the C/C++ extension pack window, click the Install button and wait for the installation to complete. Now click the Explorer icon, and then click the Open Folder button. Select your Documents, Desktop, or some other folder. Create a new subfolder for your first project. Enter the new folder, and click the Select Folder button. In the prompt that follows, click the Yes, I Trust the Authors button, and if you wish, also select the checkbox to trust the authors of all files in the parent folder. Click Mark Done in the lower left corner, and then under Start, click New File. In the Select File Type or Enter File Name input, type main.cpp and press Enter on your keyboard. A Save dialog will appear with the project folder in focus. Click the Create File button to save the file. You can click Select a Language and choose C++ as the file language, though the extension of the file should make that the default. Return to your browser to copy and paste the Hello World sample into your file, or write your own short bit of valid C++ code that outputs to the console. In the top right corner of the Edit window, choose Run C/C++ file from the drop-down menu, and if prompted to select a debug configuration, choose C/C++ G++ build and debug active file from the drop-down. If a prompt about compiler kits and directories appears in the lower right corner, click the Yes button. On first run, there will be a lot of activity and activations that you will not normally see. Wait for Visual Studio to run the gauntlet, and then in the top right corner of the Edit window, choose Run C/C++ file from the drop-down menu once again. Here I get impatient and click Run a third time, and end up with a couple of the successful Hello C++ world from VS Code and the C++ extension greetings. C++ is now working in Visual Studio Code.